Apple just did it again. Every year they manage to raise the bar, and this time they've taken things to a whole new level. You know the drill. Tim Cook steps onto the stage, the lights dim, and a slick video rolls. But this isn't just another chip launch. This is the start of a new era for Apple devices. This year, it's the Apple M5, a giant leap, especially for artificial intelligence. The M5 isn't just faster, it's fundamentally smarter, built from the ground up to handle the next generation of AI-powered experiences. Apple's betting the future isn't just about speed, but about smarter devices. Devices that can learn, adapt, and anticipate what you need before you even ask. The M5 is designed to make your Mac or iPad think in ways they never could before. It's about unlocking new possibilities, from creative workflows to everyday productivity. For years, AI happened in the cloud. Your device would send data out, wait for a response, and then act. With the M5, Apple wants the real thinking to happen right on your device. No more waiting, no more lag. Just instant intelligence at your fingertips. That means your data stays private, and everything happens instantly. Your personal information never leaves your device, giving you both speed and peace of mind. The M5 is more than just hardware. It's Apple's statement that the next generation of apps will be powered by AI. Developers now have the tools to create experiences we've only dreamed of. It's not just for pros editing 8K video, it's for everyone. From students organizing their notes to families sharing photos, everyday tasks are about to get a lot smarter and more intuitive. Imagine your Photos app understanding the context of a scene, or your email app summarizing threads in a flash. The M5 brings these features to life, making your device feel more like a helpful assistant than ever before. We're at a crossroads. The race is no longer about raw speed, but about intelligence. The smartest device, not just the fastest, will define the future. How well can your device anticipate your needs? Can it suggest the perfect playlist, or remind you of an important meeting before you even think of it? How seamlessly can it handle creative tasks? With the M5, artists and designers can push their ideas further, with tools that respond instantly and intuitively. The M5 is Apple's answer. A new brain for the Mac and iPad. It's the foundation for a future where your device is more than just a tool. It's a partner in everything you do. Let's unpack what makes it tick and see how the M5 is set to change the way we work, create, and connect with technology. Let's talk about the magic ingredient. Neural accelerators. Your CPU is a generalist, but for AI, you need a specialist. That's where neural accelerators come in. They're built for AI math, mimicking how the brain learns. They're why your iPhone unlocks with your face so quickly. The M5 takes this further, embedding neural accelerators directly into the GPU. Now, AI specialists and graphics experts work side by side. This makes AI tasks, like image and video processing, blazingly fast. Dedicated hardware means AI features are efficient, not battery draining. You get powerful AI all day, even on the go. When Apple talks about trillions of operations per second, this is what they mean. The M5's neural engine and GPU-based accelerators process massive datasets instantly. It's the secret sauce that makes the M5 not just faster, but fundamentally smarter. Every new Apple chip is faster, but the M5 is about more than just speed. It's about a smarter, more balanced architecture that redefines what's possible in a compact device. Apple's engineers have reimagined the very core of the chip, focusing on efficiency, intelligence, and seamless integration. Apple's advanced manufacturing now packs even more power into the same tiny space, all while keeping heat and battery drain impressively low. This means you get top-tier performance without sacrificing portability or comfort, whether you're editing video or just browsing the web. Thanks to this leap, the M5 can support more CPU and GPU cores than ever before, and its neural engine is dramatically larger and more capable, opening the door to advanced AI and machine learning tasks right on your device. The CPU is built with both high-performance and high-efficiency cores. Think of them as muscle for heavy lifting and marathon runners for background tasks. This dual approach means the M5 can handle demanding workloads and still sip power when you need all-day battery life. The M5 seamlessly and intelligently switches between these cores, always optimizing for the perfect balance of power and battery life, so you never have to think about what's happening under the hood. But the real leap forward is in how all these parts communicate. The M5's internal connections are faster and more efficient, allowing data to flow instantly between components. Apple's unified memory architecture means the CPU, GPU, and neural engine all share the same data pool, eliminating slow copying and making every operation smoother and faster. For AI and machine learning, this is like upgrading from a winding country road to a multi-lane superhighway, letting data and instructions move at unprecedented speeds. Apple's unique approach, designing everything from the tiniest transistor to the software you use, means every part of the system is deeply integrated, working together in perfect harmony. The result? A more intelligent, efficient, and cohesive system that makes even the most complex operations feel effortless, empowering you to do more than ever before with your device. The GPU used to just make games look great, powering the stunning visuals and smooth frame rates that gamers love. For years, its main job was to render graphics, bringing digital worlds to life with ever-increasing realism. Now, with the M5, the GPU has evolved into an AI powerhouse, transforming what's possible in both creative and technical fields. Neural accelerators are now embedded right inside the GPU cores, working alongside traditional graphics processors to handle complex AI computations. Many next-gen AI tasks are visual, understanding photos, tracking objects in video, and even generating 3D models from scratch. These are jobs that once required massive server farms, but now happen right on your desk. For example, a video editor can instantly isolate a person in 4K footage for color grading. No more painstaking manual tracing or hours spent masking frames. The GPU and AI now work together in real time, delivering instant results with no lag, even on the most demanding creative projects. In gaming, AI creates smarter, more responsive characters that adapt to your playstyle, making every session feel unique and immersive. It also upscales graphics to 4K, delivering crisp visuals without a performance hit, so you get the best of both worlds, speed and quality. 3D artists can now render complex scenes much faster, as AI predicts lighting and shadows, streamlining workflows that used to take hours or even days. The GPU has become a true visual computation engine, capable of handling tasks far beyond traditional graphics rendering. It's no longer just a graphics chip. It's a central hub for advanced computation and AI. Developers are already re-architecting software to take advantage of this new power, unlocking features that were previously impossible. They're building new tools and creative apps that harness AI acceleration, making workflows smarter and more efficient. The M5's GPU now enables creative workflows that once needed Hollywood-level hardware, putting professional-grade tools in the hands of everyday creators. What used to require a studio full of expensive equipment can now be done on a single, powerful laptop. The future of AI-powered creativity and computation is here, and it's right at your fingertips, in your laptop. How much faster is the M5? Apple claims up to 30% faster single-core and 45% faster multi-core CPU performance over the M4. The GPU is up to 50% faster, meaning smoother games and faster rendering. In AI-driven tasks, the M5 can be over twice as fast as the M4. The Neural engine nearly doubles the performance of last year's chip. This lets your Mac or iPad run bigger, more complex AI models locally. Apple's tight hardware-software integration squeezes out every drop of performance. Against Windows laptops, Apple leads in performance per watt, delivering power without overheating or killing your battery. Competing laptops might match peak performance briefly, but the M5 sustains it quietly and efficiently. It's a generational leap, not just an incremental update. The MacBook Pro has always been a creative's tool. With the M5 Pro and Max, it's a whole new game. Massive projects, compiling code, rendering 3D models, exporting 8K films, now take seconds, not minutes. AI transforms workflows. A photographer can have thousands of photos sorted, and the best ones suggested in seconds. Musicians can run hundreds of tracks and plugins without stutter. AI can even separate finished tracks into vocals, drums, and more, opening new creative possibilities. The M5 removes barriers. No more lag, no more waiting for renders. The tech fades away, leaving just you and your work. The M5 MacBook Pro isn't just an upgrade, it's a creative superpower. Can the iPad Pro replace a laptop? With the M5, it's closer than ever. The same chip as the MacBook Pro now powers this ultra-thin tablet. The iPad Pro is now a true computer, powerful, portable, and versatile. Digital artists get zero-lag painting with complex brushes and layers. Filmmakers can shoot, transfer, and edit 4K video on the go. AI features shine students can record lectures, take notes, and have audio transcribed and linked in real time. Field technicians can use AR apps to overlay instructions on real-world objects. The M5 enables entirely new classes of apps, blurring the line between consumption and creation. The question isn't if the iPad Pro can replace your laptop, but what it can do that your laptop can't. The M5's AI smarts will change your daily software in big and small ways. Photos will recognize scenes and people instantly. Email and messaging apps will summarize threads and suggest replies. Third-party developers will unleash a wave of intelligent apps, automating tedious tasks and unlocking creativity. Imagine a presentation app that designs slides from your bullet points, or a fitness app that analyzes your form in real time. Accessibility leaps forward. Devices can describe the world for the visually impaired, or offer nuanced voice control for those with motor disabilities. On-device AI means these features are faster, more reliable, and more private. The M5 weaves AI into your life so seamlessly, it just feels like your device is smarter and more helpful. With the M5, Apple is betting on personal on-device AI, not cloud-based intelligence. Your data stays on your device, building trust and privacy. AI features work everywhere, even offline. The M5 sets a new bar. Chips must be fast, intelligent, and efficient. Apple's custom silicon forces the industry to rethink its approach, accelerating innovation for everyone. The future of computing is about building the smartest chip, not just the fastest. The M5 lays the groundwork for devices that are proactive partners, not just tools. Apple's bet: the future isn't in the cloud, it's in your hand, powered by a chip designed to think. With the M5, that future is here.